my mom and I, Jenny Meyer, we beaded the octopus bag, and it's been a great experience, all the ups and downs and in-betweens, but you know, it's coming together today and I'm really excited, and we've had a great team.
For the job, you must function at 6 a.m. This is Jane Daly. I'm partner in Daly Froggatt Heritage Conservation Services, and I'm here with my assistants to finish putting up the octopus bag. I'm not too coherent because it's 6 in the morning. We're trying to get this installation complete for the opening of the Canadian Museum of Human Rights. And it's been a 6-month job, and we're finally at the point where we're getting this sucker on the wall. So we're all looking forward to getting it up there and seeing the job well done.
I'm an assistant conservator with Daly Froggatt Heritage Conservation Service, and yeah, we're here at 6:30 in the morning trying to get this sucker up, so hopefully it's a productive day.
Hi, I'm Alex McPhee, and I'm a conservator with Daly Froggatt Heritage Conservation Services, and we're here at 6 in the morning, and we're going to mount a huge octopus bag. So that's the project for the day.
Hello, I'm Stephanie Shabilsky, and I'm a conservator, and I'm volunteering here today to put up the octopus bag.
Hi, I'm Natalie Footer. I'm the project manager of exhibitions here at the museum, and we're going to be putting up the octopus bag today. It's a very exciting moment. We've had many trials and tribulations, so hoping smooth sailing from here on out.
Safety first, folks. The next client comes along with a 23-foot high piece that's in 5 pieces. We'll know exactly what to do. And the Velcro is on the back, and it can't contact the sheet until it's in position. So we're going to use these on the back to stop it sticking to the Velcro until we're ready, and then just pull them out when we're ready. But you had a better idea.
Yeah. Put a center strip in these and then attach it firmly to the Velcro loop, so we don't have to worry about holding onto these and the panel as well.
Got these channels which are going to go on the edge so that we can pick it up and not have it collapse in any way or distort. Okay, so let's get the frog tape and get to it. And we're wearing these really stylish outfits, not because they do wonders for our figures, but because we're going to have to go up in the lift, the scissor lift, and since Jessica and I have had fall rest training, we're the 2 people that will be in the scissor lift hanging this, while Alex and assistant Stephanie are on the ground making sure that everything is good to go up. The harness, go to the bathroom before you get in your harness. Yeah.
We could try a parallel target.
adhesive over top of the metal so that it won't stain the wool or the backing at all. Should have made it bigger, Janine.
I know.
That's okay. That's as far as I go.
So how do you feel, Janine?
Oh, I'm gonna go back a little bit. I've got mixed feelings right now. Don't ask me too much because I'll start crying.